Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. We are going to present about our snake game. We use Java on NetBeans. Before we start, we are going to introduce ourselves. My name is Nofaluzah, and my other two partners name is Ahmad Shafiq and Reza Raditya. So, before we start, we are going to explain about our system analysis. In this project, entitled Snake Game, we can play as a snake. We must eat the apple fruit for the snake to grow up and level up. The game is endless. It will not be ended if the snake is still alive or not dead. We made this project list by using Java language with NetBeans IDE 13. So this is our diagram class. So as you can see here with the snake, we use integer body size, map, with integer void draw react graphics t, move is void integer dx, comp integer dy. Direction is public void key pressed. Level is if score was greater than 20, it will reach level 2. For the foot one is we use for dog foot and for the foot. And for the run is we use for it move and also exit the game is for it start. So as you can see here, our direction code we use public class direction, public class static final, public class static final, final, and so on. So the next one is we for the snake game for the run for the after run we use package snake, public class snake game, public static void main strange args. The next one is snake equals new snake calls game time 700 500.
So I'm going to tell about display. So in this slide, this is display. So in here there is a public class for display. We can setting for the title, white, height, frame, and canvas. And this is public void to create display and setting for visible, size, default location, and resizable. And next, this is still in display, and this public void is for create the display. In this site, we can setting the preferred size, and we can focusable the false. And in this snake calls, in this project we use the Java language. Nah, in Java language, this is we import for the color, font, graphics, point, key event, key listener, buffer strategy, linked list, and random. And this is the public class snake calls, implement runnable key listener. This is a private thread display, string title, white, height, buffer strategy buffer, graphics, linked list, snack, and direction. And this is the public static final that include white, height, box white, and box height. And for the fruit, we use the private for point fruit and score. And in this game, there is level 2, and we call the snake. And in this public, we use title, white, and height. And public void, there is display, that is new display, new title, white, and height. And we can restart the game and run the fruit. And still in the snake calls, there is public void, draw rec for the graphics, for the color, and in the slide there is private void for draw the snake, and the graphic and the point for the snake and fill red the box white, box height, box white, and we can setting the color. And in here there is restart for restart the game, that there is the direction for the level 2, and in here the public void draw fruit, and we can setting the color of the fruit. And in here there is point height, point new point, and switch in the case direction up, new point, new point.
Okay, I'm going to continue my partner Shafiq. Okay, this is the render code, of course. It's to render the canvas, draw the graphics, draw the rectangle, or the field to play the snake, of course. And this is the start command, stop command, and the run command. And obviously the run command, it's to set how the snake speed will be. And if you want the snake to be fast, you can lower this value. If you want the snake to be slow, you higher this value. And this is the direction. The direction command, it's to control the snake with arrow keys, of course. Okay, this is the main class. Without main class, we cannot run this game. Okay, this is the level up a little bit. So this is the level 2 code. It's to spawn the wall when the snake hit 20 points or 4 apples. This is going to spawn in this point, 3.4, 3.12. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. And maybe we can test the game a little bit. I'm going to stop sharing and run my NetBeans. It is basically a very, very basic game. Why we made it? Because I think it's going to be fun if I can make a legendary old game. Yeah, that's why. So I'm going to run this code. See, this is very simple. You just need to use arrow keys from keyboard to move the snake. And as I said, if I hit 4 apples, the snake, the wall will spawn. I set this snake too fast, I think. He's dead. The snake is dead. Because of what? He's going to eat his own body part, of course. Yeah, that's a little bit show time for us. And thank you for listening. Goodbye. See you on next meeting, maybe. Bye-bye. Thank you.